Welcome to CLB Healthy Remedies. Today we're not just talking about a humble root, but a superfood that's packed with health benefits. Yes, we are focusing on ginger, a root that's often relegated to the corner of kitchen. Now, you might wonder what's so special about ginger. Well, this unassuming root is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. It's known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate the symptoms of numerous chronic diseases. Its role in aiding digestion is well established, with studies showing it can soothe upset stomachs and reduce nausea. And that's not all. Researchers are now exploring ginger's potential in managing weight. They're finding that it may enhance the body's metabolic rate, aiding in weight loss efforts. As we delve deeper, we'll explore these benefits in a detailed list, shedding light on how this root can be a game changer for your health. To make the most of this session, we recommend grabbing a pen and paper to jot down points. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of ginger. First on our list is the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger. This humble root is known for its potent anti-inflammatory benefits, thanks to compounds known as gingerols and shogols. By blocking inflammation pathways in the body, these compounds effectively reduce inflammation at the cellular level. This makes ginger particularly beneficial for individuals who suffer from inflammation-related conditions. For instance, if you have arthritis, incorporating ginger into your diet could bring some noticeable relief. Research has substantiated this, with studies indicating that ginger can significantly decrease pain and inflammation. But the benefits of ginger aren't limited to arthritis relief. Inflammation is a common factor in many chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. Therefore, by helping to alleviate inflammation, ginger could contribute to the prevention of these serious health issues. As such, the regular consumption of ginger, whether through your meals, your tea, or as a supplement, could be a proactive measure in maintaining good health. In a nutshell, ginger has a lot to offer when it comes to combating inflammation. So whether you're adding it to your tea, your meals, or taking it as a supplement, ginger could be just what your body needs. Next, we have ginger's role as a digestive aid. As a versatile root, ginger proves an effective remedy for various digestive issues. It's no stranger to our experience of bloating. Ginger can expedite stomach emptying, providing relief to those battling discomfort and bloating. But that's just the beginning. Ginger also enhances the functioning enzymes trypsin and pancreatic lipase, aiding in efficient digestion. As a result, it could help your body to process and absorb nutrients in your meals more effectively. This superroot has been utilized for ages to alleviate indigestion, nausea, and motion sickness, further proving its potency as a digestive aid. It's not just a one-trick pony, it's a versatile solution for ensuring your digestive system's wellness. So, if having digestion issues, ginger might just be the solution you're looking for. Ginger is also well known for its ability to relieve nausea and motion sickness. This potent root, steeped in medical history, provides a viable alternative to synthetic remedies. Let's unpack the science. Research underscores ginger's potency against nausea and motion sickness, with one long-term study revealing its efficacy in easing associated symptoms. The study divulged that ginger can alleviate the discomfort of nausea and vomiting, symptoms commonly linked to motion sickness. Moreover, research in American Journal of Physiology implied that ginger mitigates nausea by inhibiting the body's vomiting reflex. This implies it not only addresses the symptom, but also confronts the root cause, delivering a comprehensive solution. An added benefit of ginger is it can be incorporated into your diet as a spice, consumed as a tea, or even enjoyed as candied ginger. This makes it not just potent, but also adaptable and convenient. Whether you're feeling seasick or just a bit queasy, ginger could be your go-to remedy. Another great benefit of ginger is its impact on the immune system. Nestled within the confines of your kitchen, this unassuming root is an immunity-boosting dynamo. Brimming with antioxidants, ginger shields your body's DNA from stress and damage, potentially defending against chronic conditions like hypertension, cardiac disease, and respiratory ailments. Not to mention, ginger's agents like gingerols, shogol, and paradols fortify the immune system against bacterial and viral threats. Studies evidence that ginger bolsters the body's defenses against diseases, while also curbing inflammation and nurturing cell health. Moreover, ginger's inherent warming attribute facilitates the breakdown of toxins in our organs, detoxifying the lymphatic system. Consequently, this ensures your body's innate defense mechanism remains robust and adaptive. So, if you're looking to give your immune system a boost, consider adding some ginger to your diet. Did you know that ginger can help lower blood sugar levels? This little-known fact may surprise you. Extensive research reveals that the powerful compounds in this simple root can positively affect the maintenance of healthy blood levels. Let's explore the science behind this. A research piece in the International Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism demonstrated that consuming 3 grams of ginger powder daily led to considerable reductions in blood glucose levels. This phenomenon likely results from ginger's potential to enhance insulin sensitivity, aiding your body in using sugar in your bloodstream more effectively. Furthermore, a study from the University of Sydney showed that ginger extracts could increase glucose absorption into muscle cells without requiring insulin, indicating its potential role in the management of elevated blood sugar levels. Put simply, if high blood sugar levels are a concern for you, adding ginger to your dietary routine might be a worthwhile consideration. If you're struggling with high blood sugar levels, ginger could be worth a try. Before we move on to the anti-aging properties and blood pressure balancing benefits of ginger, it's important to highlight 2 more incredible advantages of this wonder root: weight management and mental health improvement. Ginger is known for its ability to boost metabolism and aid weight loss. It's a natural appetite suppressant, making you feel full and helping to control your calorie intake. This can be especially beneficial if you're trying to shed those extra pounds. Incorporating ginger into your diet can help you reach your weight loss goals faster. But the benefits of ginger extend beyond physical health. It's also known to have a positive impact on mental health. Ginger contains compounds that can help improve brain function and protect against age-related decline in brain health. It has been found to enhance working memory, reaction time, and attention. Additionally, some studies suggest that ginger may help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. So whether you're aiming for a healthier body or a sharper mind, ginger proves to be an invaluable ally. Remember, it's not just about adding flavor to your meals, it's about adding health benefits too. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the health benefits of ginger in the next segment. Did you know that apart from the numerous health benefits we've discussed, ginger also has some incredible anti-aging properties and can help balance your blood pressure? That's right! This wonder root is truly a powerhouse of benefits. Ginger is rich in antioxidants that are known for their anti-aging properties. These antioxidants wage a war against free radicals, reducing cell damage and preventing aging. So if you're looking for a natural way to keep your skin youthful and glowing, ginger could be your new best friend. But that's not all. Ginger also plays a crucial role in maintaining blood pressure. It acts as a blood thinner and reduces blood pressure by relaxing the muscles surrounding your blood vessels. This is particularly beneficial for those suffering from hypertension, providing a natural way to manage this condition. So if you're seeking a natural way to retain your youthful glow and maintain a healthy blood pressure, ginger might just be the answer you've been looking for. Remember, nature has solutions to most of our health problems, and ginger is one such solution, packed with a multitude of benefits. Whether you're brewing a cup of ginger tea or adding a dash of it in your meals, you're in for a wealth of health benefits. Ginger truly is a wonder root. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this one. See you next time.